Hi friends, welcome to our channel Smiley Creations Ganesha. Today I have to explain about some important questions of computers for semester 1 degree students. Title of the paper is Problem Solving in C. We have 5 units for this semester. First unit is General Fundamentals. So in General Fundamentals we have 6 important questions. They are first one block diagram of computers, second one computer generations, third one types of computers, fourth one what is algorithm and flowchart explain with example, fifth one generations of programming languages, sixth one explain about structured programming languages. So in second unit title is Introduction to C. We have 12 important questions for this chapter. So first one, explain the various operators used in C, or they ask in another type, explain operators and expressions in C. Second one, explain various data types available in C. Third one, discuss about tokens like keywords, identifiers, వేరియబుల్స్, కాన్స్టెంట్స్ ఇవన్నీ కలిపి ఒక షార్ట్ ఆన్సర్గా ఇస్తారు. సో నెక్స్ట్ వన్, ఫోర్త్ వన్, write the syntax for if else and switch statements and give one example for each. So fifth one, what is looping, explain various looping statements in C language. Sixth one, briefly discuss about unconditional statements. Seventh one, explain nested for loops with an example. Eighth one, explain the use of conditional statements in C. And ninth one, discuss about switch statement in C. 10th one, a structure of C program with an example program. 11th one, వేరియబుల్స్, కాన్స్టెంట్స్. ఈ మొత్తం ఈ టూ కలిపేసి షార్ట్స్గా కూడా అడగొచ్చు. సో అండ్ 12th వన్, డిఫరెంట్ ఫైల్స్ ఆర్ యూజ్డ్ ఇన్ ఏ C program, షార్ట్స్. ఇన్ థర్డ్ యూనిట్, title of the third unit is arrays and strings. First question is define array, how to declare and initialize multi-dimensional array, explain about different types of arrays used in C. Second question. Third one, explain string handling functions and their syntax, or they may ask what is string, explain different string functions. And fourth one, programs, example programs like matrix addition, subtraction, transpose, multiplication. So fifth one, character handling functions, shorts. In unit 4, the title of the unit is unit 4 is functions, structures and unions. In this chapter we have 8 important questions. First one, explain parameter passing mechanisms in C, explain different storage classes available in C, scope of variables, and what is a function, explain about call by value, or they may ask call by reference also. Fifth one, how do you define and use a function in C, differentiate between structures and unions. And seventh one, what is a structure, explain about structure within structure. And eighth one, how do you access structures through pointers, explain with example. And the fifth unit, and the title of the fifth unit is pointers and files. So in fifth unit we have 6 important questions. They are, first one, what is a pointer, explain briefly about pointers and arrays with an example. And second one, how to pass arguments to functions using pointers. And third one is explain about dynamic memory allocation. This is the one of the most important questions, friends. On the fourth one is what is a file, explain with a simple program. What are the file operand, or they may ask what are the file operations. And fifth one, how do we read data from files. And sixth one, how do we write data from files. So thank you friends, and please support this channel.